Welcome back to Ninjas in Nature, and today we're going to teach you how to make a hanbo tracking stick. As a ninja, it's important to know what kind of animals are around you in nature. One of the best ways to learn this is by tracking animals. To learn to track animals, it's helpful to start by learning how to track humans. The hanbo tracking stick is a helpful tool for doing this. Looks like we got Mr. Hand, my right-hand man, here today. And seems like he has his hanbo with him. You're going to need a few things for this exercise. First, you're going to need a friend with a foot. You're going to need some colored rubber bands or hair ties, or even colored string is helpful. The first thing your friend with a foot is going to do is to put down a nice clear track on a piece of ground that's easy for tracking, like this sand. Mud, soft dirt, or even wet grass will also work. The first thing you're going to do is to mark the width of the track. Next, mark the length of the track, the distance from the heel to the toe. Now, using your hanbo and the first colored marker, mark the width of the track on the hanbo stick. With your next colored marker, now mark the length of the track. Making these measurements will help you to identify your friendly foot's track from all the other tracks that might be out there. Now, have your friend with a foot walk at a comfortable, casual pace for about 5 to 10 steps across this substrate. Next, pick 2 tracks that are easy to see and represent an average 2 steps of the ones your friend made. Mark the tip of one toe and then mark the tip of the next step's toe. Using your hanbo, use the third colored marker to mark this distance. This is called the step. Now we're ready for the challenge. Have your friend choose an object that they're going to hide, like this quarter. You are going to be the tracker of this friend. Turn your back so you can't see where your friend is walking. Your friend is going to mark the first step. Then they're going to take 5 steps. Make sure this is relatively easy substrate to walk in to identify tracks. At the 5th step, your friend is going to stop and hide the object at the tip of where their toe is. Now it's your turn to track your friend. Start with the first step and find the tip of the toe. Holding your step marker at the tip of the toe of the first track, slowly sweep your hanbo and look for the tip of the next step at the tip of your hanbo. When you find the tip of the next step, repeat this again. Every now and then, use your length and width markers that you measured the track with to verify that this is the right track you're following. Then, continue tracking with your hanbo stick. When you think you've found the 5th step, look for the hidden object. Switch and let your friend try this. If you're successful with 5 steps, challenge yourself by doing 10 steps and hiding the object. When you feel comfortable tracking on easy substrate, then start by putting footprints on easy to track surfaces and then walk into harder to track surfaces. Have your friend hide the object and then try tracking over this more difficult surface. Once you've got the hang of tracking humans, then you're ready to start tracking animals out in the wild. If you're good, you may find who made the tracks at the end of the trail.